I feel like I'm back in college. I'm going to classes on astronomy, on religion, cooking, and I didn't take any cooking classes in college actually, but now I am.
I just love being in the classroom, just that feeling of learning something new every day when you're someone my age is just a real bonus in my life. It's just fantastic.
It's sort of like coming to a party and meeting, starting to make new people, new friends, and the professors have been very low-key, very welcoming too.
People are like, oh, really? You can do that? Yeah, and wait till you take the veg-centric course. It's amazing.
I've ended up with 260 people signed up, but the first morning when the registration opened, we weren't there, but there was a computer set up in the office, and anytime anybody registered, it was recorded on the computer, and it was like cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. I mean, it was just one after the other signing up. I think they had, I don't know, maybe 70 or 80 people signed up in the first half hour. It was just like they were all waiting.
It really forms a bond between the community and Wesleyan. Their bond is there pretty strong.
Many people have said they've never been on the campus before. They live in Delaware or some of the surrounding communities, and this is the first time they've been on campus.
It is wonderful to be on campus and introducing others to Ohio Wesleyan and the facilities and the resources that are here. A number of our speakers for the courses, especially one called My Favorite Lecture, are either active or retired Ohio Wesleyan faculty.
Yeah, I listen to these TED Talks, which are these national, supposedly the greatest lectures in the world, and I would put up any of the lectures we've heard against the TED Talks. I mean, it's just been fascinating.
Everything from, we have a course on Academy Award-winning films at the Strand Theater, and the managing director there shows the films, and she and her assistant lead discussions about the films.
There are 3 or 4 generations represented in this class. You know, obviously Peyton, he's 20-something and I'm not. And then we have the seniors. So we have many generations represented, and so that leads to really good discussion.
When we were at school here at Ohio Wesleyan 60 years ago, there were no computers. And so we're seeing lots of things on screens and computers as part of the presentation, and that certainly is different.
Another big difference is, of course, lifelong learning classes have no exams, no tests at all, no papers to write. You just come and enjoy the process. Many people do take notes. We're all eager to learn and absorb what we're hearing and seeing, but there's no pressure.
I love to learn. I love to meet other people too. I just came out a little bit ago from the classroom and said, this is just so wonderful. Being able to meet new people and hear their stories and then learn with them. It's a great sense of belonging in a community.
We see this as a long-term thing. This is not just this year. It's something that we hope that 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now, there will be a lifelong learning institute at Ohio Wesleyan. And we will have been part of starting it.